Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw gold gain 0.3% against the dollar. The Ultimate Oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. Oil dropped 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. According to the Ultimate Oscillator, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Despite the severe sanctions imposed on Iran's energy sector by the White House, the U.S. nonetheless imported a substantial batch of crude from the Islamic Republic for the first time in 30 years. The Financial Conduct Authority's 18-month inquiry into the collapse of Neil Woodford's flagship fund used the ominous phrase, potential proceedings. A planned reform of the Eurozone's bailout fund poses substantial risks for Germany's state budget, its Federal Audit Office says in a confidential report.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index will be released at 22:30 GMT, the Dutch retail sales at 4:30 GMT, Japan's construction orders at 500 GMT. Japan's housing starts will be released at 500 GMT, Japan's consumer confidence at 500 GMT, Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 1200 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.